Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create the environment and Keypress using PyGame in Python. So let's begin. First, we need to install the PyGame module. So by typing pip install PyGame. As I have already installed, let's check. Yes, I have already installed. So let's begin. So first, let us import the PyGame module and a sys module. So import PyGame sys. After this, we need to initialize the PyGame module and all of its components. So here, let me type pygame dot init or the initialize function. So first, let us create the window. So I am going to name this window screen. So here screen equals to pygame dot display dot set mode. Display is also a module in PyGame and set mode is the function in the display module. So here set mode and the coordinates are 800 pixels is the width and 600 pixels I want it to be the height. So let's create a clock. So here clock equals to pygame dot time dot clock. Here the clock class is inside the time module. Using this clock class, we can find the FPS also. So here, let's create a loop for the window. So here, let me type it while true. This while loop will go on forever. But we also need to stop this program. So here, let me write if for e in pygame dot event dot get. Pygame.event.get gets all the events in the window, and this statement for e in pygame.event.get goes through all the events. And here let me type here if e dot type equals to pygame dot quit. If the event type is in quit state, then we should quit the program. So let us type here PyGame dot quit, and after that sys dot exit in the sys module. So in the last two lines of the while loop, we should update the display module and take the clock to 60 or set the FPS to nearly 60. So let me type here PyGame dot display dot update, and at the last line let's write clock dot tick within brackets, let's write 60. So here 60 is the frame rate to which the clock ticks. So let me run this. And it shows us a blank window. Perfect. And how about detecting key presses? Let me close this. Perfect, that also closes. So here, key presses can be detected in two ways: through tuples and through events. So let's first detect key presses through tuples. So here, let us write key equals to PyGame dot key dot get press. This function goes through all the keys in the keyboard and checks that if it is pressed or not, and adds them in a tuple. So here we can type if key and within third brackets PyGame dot k write, and that means we are checking that if the right arrow key is pressed or not. So if the right arrow key is pressed, then we need to print something. So let me print right key, right arrow key. So let me run this and press and hold the right arrow key, and perfect, it prints this text while holding it. So let's close this. But we can check if the left arrow key is pressed or not also. So let me copy and paste this. So here if key PyGame.k underscore left. So here we need to print say left arrow key. So if I run this, let me press the right arrow key and hold it. Now it still presses right arrow key. Prints right arrow key. And how about pressing the left arrow key? So here it begins to press left arrow key. Perfect. So for now it is done. Let me delete this. Now we can detect Keypress through events. So here if e.type equals to PyGame dot key down, and that means the type of the event equals to is in the key down state. So here let me press enter. So let's print something. So here print, let's say Keypress. So if I run this and let me press any key, so it prints Keypress in the terminal. Perfect. Let me close this now. And how about checking, detecting other key presses? So here, if the event key type equals to or is in the say k underscore right state, so if e dot key equals to PyGame dot k underscore right, so here let's print say right arrow key. So if I run this and if I press right arrow key, then it prints right arrow key. But if I click and hold this, then it presses right arrow key only once. It does not print constantly. Perfect. How about detecting the left arrow key press. So here, let me copy this and let me paste this. So here, if e dot key equals a PyGame, for now let's k dot left. So here we need to wait. Let's say left arrow. So if I run this again and pressing the right arrow key, it prints right arrow key, and pressing the left arrow key, it prints left arrow key. Perfect. You can also try other keys in the keyboard like this. I hope friends you like this video. Thank you for watching. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next exciting video, and for now, bye bye.